See you smile at me.
Hello beautiful people of the internet. Today we are taking you to the Dubai Frame. Dubai Frame is an observatory, museum and also a monument that is located in Zabeel Park, Dubai. From our place we took a metro and stopped at Max metro station and later took a taxi which cost us 12 dirham. At the taxi drop-off point, you could see many people lining up to get tickets, but we have already booked it online. You go to their website and pick the date that you wish to visit. And as for time slot, I would recommend 6 p.m. because it will typically take longer time for you to line up before you could even go up, especially during weekends. That way you will be able to take beautiful photos during golden hour while you are up there. The total tickets for 2 person including tax is 105 dirham. There's also a drinking water station that you could fill up your bottle, particularly right now during summer because it can get pretty hot. Dubai Frame is 150 meters high and 93 meters wide. It is made of more than 15,000 square meters of gold-colored stainless steel. Dubai Frame's rectangular design was also inspired by the golden ratio, which many architects and artists believe forms an ideal structural balance. When visiting the Dubai Frame, you will feel as though you have entered a time machine. The frame takes you on a journey of 3 time periods in the UAE: the past, the present and the future. Right now we are in the past. The screen shows the transportation that was used back in the day, the lifestyle of people who lived in the past.
Trying hard to find a way to tell myself it's fine, but I know that baby, I'm never on your mind.
One area shows the life of merchants, what being traded back in the day before it becomes the Dubai that it is today.
One day I woke up with you on my bed. I couldn't even remember a thing we said. I was wondering if I ever really liked you up against my body, but it's like I'm not beside you. Can't think of a reason I should keep you close. Can't say you're the one I need the most, and I know that you can say.
One more tip before you get into the elevator: make sure that you get the spot that is close to the transparent window because the lighting and the view is very beautiful. Once you arrive at the top, you will be briefed by the welcome staff and then you are free to roam around as you wish. The glass at the bottom of your feet will be transparent as you step on it, but it will become opaque again when you step away. There's no time limit really for you to be up there, but on a busy day they probably have some sort of system to make everyone gather around when the time is up. At the sky deck, you will be able to see the spectacular views of the modern Dubai versus the old Dubai that is on the other side, which I think is amazing that you are able to see two different sides of Dubai from one place. There are also a few shops up there, mainly patisseries. Here we have a Godiva bakery and a few options that you could choose from.
Sitting in my room, just strumming my guitar, just trying to be a star, just trying to listen to.
This is Yamanote Atelier, which is an artisanal Japanese bakery.
It's tiring. I've been writing all these sad songs lately. That's what writing hella sad songs makes you do. But here's the truth.
There are a few souvenirs that you could get from up here. This is the coin machine. You could also get a selfie of yourself using this machine and get them printed out later on.
After all this time, I still need to ask if I can come out and meet you beside.
On the right side is the line for you to go down the lift, and on the left side is where you could get your souvenirs. In our case, we got this Dubai frame fridge magnet.
Sad song about you. Staring at my wall, 'cause I can't find the words to write
A final look before we go down the elevator.
right into all the memories, the messages you sent me years ago.
When you arrive at the other side, you are supposed to gather around this screen to see what the future of Dubai looks like.
Truth, but it's 'cause of you that I keep writing all these sad songs, taking me back to our last time, making me feel like after all this time I still
This is the exit point of the screening area.
need you. But sad songs will bring us together. Sad songs will make me feel better, and I might think about it when I'm feeling blue. But I don't wanna write another sad song about
And down this escalator, you will be able to see the merchandise store.
writing songs for you. And what am I supposed to think if I think of you each time I sing? I wish,
This is the price if you are looking to buy the t-shirt.
but if I did, I wanna let you know that I'm gone, and I'm telling you goodbye.
These are the gold and black collection.
Sad song, taking me back.
They also happen to have this actual frame that looks like the Dubai frame. On this side, they sell the colorful ones. These ones are for people who like silver, more t-shirt. And these are the crystal ones.
And even if those dreams are never coming true, I can't help but write another sad song about you.
This is what it looks like close up.
And I can't help but write another sad song about you.
Since we have a bit more time before the prayer, we walk around and take some more pictures. We also have some more leftover from our lunch that we shared in the previous video at Kunchai restaurant. The monument also lights up at night, so you could get a different view. There are even longer queue at this time.
T-shirt with the rainbow stripe.
There is a Muslim prayer room near the female restroom. According to my husband, the male restroom is slightly further away. After we exit, we took a taxi to Max Metro Station, which cost us 12 dirham and 50 fils. Overall, this trip cost us 161 dirham and 45 fils. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Pillows are so symphony, souls connect so physically, yeah.